In this video, I will show you how to connect your Hostinger domain to System.io. So to do this, first go and open up System.io, and from there what you want to go and do is head over into Sites, and from there what you want to go and do is go over to your profile and click Settings. Now from within Settings, in the left menu you want to go to Domains, so you can see right here, Custom Domains, and then click on Add Domain. Now here simply type in the domain that you bought on Hostinger, which for me is this one, and then click Save. Now here just go and enter the domain name that you bought on Hostinger, including the www, and for me that's this right here, so then go and click Save. And then from there you will need to enter a few DNS records, which is quite simple. So first for the CNAME, go and copy what it says right here, and then go to Hostinger, go to your domains, and from within your domains, go to the domain you are connecting to System.io, which for me is this one, and then click Manage. And from there, go to the DNS and name servers, and just go and delete the DNS records you have right now. And then here, enter a new DNS record, so you want CNAME, and for the name, enter what you copied, and then go back to System.io and take what is on the right of it, and you want to add that to target, and then click Add Record. Now we need to add another CNAME, so go and copy this again, add that right here, and then for the target, what's on the right, so go and copy that, and paste that into the target. Then click Add Record, and after you add those two records, then it says pending validation. Now updating DNS records can take up to 24 hours, but usually it will be done within 24 minutes. But again, it can take a lot longer to propagate. But after you have added it correctly in the way that I showed you, then it should be connecting. So after it has found that it is correct, it will say ready to use, and you can then use it for whatever you want to use it. So now you know how to connect a Hostinger domain to your System.io account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.